Greetings to another video. Today's video might be a little bit different and might not be for everybody, but I'm gonna make it anyway. So let me just start off this video by saying thank you so much just for watching my videos, commenting, creating like this lovely community that we've got, and I am just eternally grateful for it. Genuinely I am, and I love creating videos and content for you. And so that leads me on to the next part of this video. And that is, I've decided to start a Patreon. And if you don't know what Patreon is, it is a separate platform that is it's kind of like YouTube in a way, but it's like a page. I'll put a link to it, you can see. Basically, it's a way that you as my viewer or as a subscriber can get more content from me, and like I can offer you more on that like platform. It is paid for, so you can choose. There's 3 different tiers. You don't have to do this. I've just put it out there in case you do want it. So the 3 different tiers: $2, $5, and $10. And for each of those things, you'll get like different kind of rewards, I guess, or different rewards. So on that platform, I'm going to be making more videos that aren't going to be on YouTube. I'm going to be creating just more different kind of content. There'll be polls and things that you can like choose the videos that I make. I might give you the option of, right, I've got 3 different ideas for a video. Which one would you want to see? And it's just a way that we can kind of chat more in a smaller group, I guess. Obviously, I love chatting to you in the comments here, but that will be kind of a smaller group, I guess. And then also the main thing that I'm kind of putting on Patreon is group Zwift rides, and I am very excited about doing group Zwift rides, because to be able to do a group Zwift ride, you have to individually invite the group, and obviously I can't do that on my YouTube channel because there's too many people. I couldn't possibly add that many people to one group ride, whereas I feel like if we've got a smaller group on Patreon, I can individually add you on Zwift. We can go on a group ride and it'll just be fun, and we can also chat, because there's an app that you can get that you can actually physically talk. So we can chat as we're riding on Zwift. I'm gonna put on a couple of different times over the month, so that if you're in a different time zone, hopefully it will fit and it will work so that you can ride. Also gonna be doing live Q&As on there, so like you can ask in real time, ask me questions. And I just felt like it's just a way to give you more, and it also obviously helps me out. And so I kind of guess, I don't know if I've said this already, but I want to make it very, very clear. YouTube will remain exactly how it is. That is not changing. This is just like an added extra if you want it. You don't have to do it. It's completely up to you, obviously. YouTube will stay as it is. It's still going to be 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There's just going to be extra content and extra perks if you are on my Patreon. So yes, that is that. What else is there to talk about or to mention? Yes, the money. Where is the money going? You might be like, well, I'll be paying you like either $2, $5 or $10. Like, where is that money even going? So I'm not sure whether you know this, but most YouTubers, I'm sure you do know this, that sounds so patronizing. Most YouTubers make their money obviously from AdSense, which is the advert that you see before a video. And the other, that's kind of like the small part of it. The main part of their living generally is from advertisers. And you will see, I'm sure you've seen channels where it's an advert after advert after advert. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. And I have done ads. I've worked with brands in the past, and you've seen them, and I've been explicit about those brands. I will only ever work with brands that I think are a decent product, that I like their values, or that I think that you're going to find use out of them. But equally, I don't want every video to be an ad or to be me forcing a product on you. I don't want it to ever be like that. And this way, it means that I don't have to rely on getting money or making a living from brands and sponsorships, because yes, I will do that when it fits and it fits with my brand. But what was I going to say? Yeah, I can do that when it fits, but obviously the rest of the time, like, I still need to make a living. So this will just help keep me going. It'll make it sustainable, and it'll mean that you're not just going to get bombarded with ads, because some channels do that and I just find it a complete turn off. when it's like so repetitive and it's just for money. I don't think you genuinely really like that product. I feel like you're doing it just because you're getting paid to say it and paid to use it. So that is where I am at, and I want it just to be about what this is. And if you're able to help me keep creating videos that you want to watch, then I just feel like it's full circle, and I feel like it works, and I feel like if you do find value in the content that I'm creating, then I would appreciate if you are able just to kind of help me out. But obviously, the YouTube will stay as it is. Let me make it very, very clear. YouTube will stay as it is. I'm not going anywhere. Patreon is just an added extra. So if you do want to do it, I would really, really like it and appreciate it. And hopefully we'll get on some group Zwift rides very soon. And yeah, I think that's it. If you've got any questions about any of this, I will be completely open and honest with you in the comment section. So ask any questions you want to. And I think on that note, I will see you next video. All right, see you later. Bye.